Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can rejoin a channel in your Slack workspace or if another user's Slack workspace if you accidentally left it really quickly. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So let me just, for the sake of this tutorial, leave that channel here in my example workspace by right-clicking on it and by clicking on Leave Channel here from the drop-down menu. And after that, as you can see here in the list of supported or available channels in my workspace, the channel has disappeared. So what you want to do, guys, is simply to rejoin it is click on that arrow down icon next to channels. After that, hover your mouse over Manage and select Browse Channels from that menu here to the right. After that, you will be given access to all channels you are currently a member of, or you were or have been a member of, like for example that one here. So if I hover my mouse over that channel I just left, you will see these two options to the right, Open and Home, as well as Join. So to rejoin it, simply click on it, and after that the given channel will be back added to your list of associated channels here. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.